How to change your keyboard language on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll guide you on how to change the keyboard language for bilingual users or those learning new languages. So if you are bilingual or learning new language, then you'll need to go to the settings app and then go to general and then scroll down, tap on keyboard, and there you'll find keyboards. So here tap on add new keyboard and then you can choose from any language available, and you can just go ahead and tap on it and then the keyboard will be added. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.